Today we're going to install WordPress website, and we're going to use a free theme, Astra. If you want to store a website, you need two things: a domain and a web hosting. I recommend two: Bluehost and Bluehost. When you register, the provider will give you credentials of which you use to come to your cPanel. So the credential will be your main name /cPanel to come to this place. So this is my cPanel. I want to log into my cPanel. I'm logging in now. So see, this is the cPanel environment. So this is the file, the jetpack, the database, domain names, emails, metrics, security, software, advanced, references, the templates, which is themes, subtitles are the scripts. So as subtitles here, we want to install WordPress. So you click on WordPress. So this is the WordPress environment. So here you can use, these are a lot of scripts that you can use. So you can click install here or install new. So let's install new here. And then let me choose my domain name. If it is one website, there will be one domain name here. So let me choose my website, and this is the current. This is a site name, but I will leave it. I can change it later. And then the description of the site. And then here, I recommend don't use admin. Just use anything. But here I want to use Astra. And then it's a generated password from the distance. If you want to use it, I want to hide it so that I will change my password for you not to see. Okay. So having done that, scroll down, you leave everything as it is, and you click install. And it's installing. Great. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So you click here, link, see how the website looks like. Don't forget to subscribe to my website. Every week I bring new videos on how to create a website about WordPress, health-related issue, how to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is how our website looks like. Go back to subtitles and go to our backend. The backend is your domain name /wp-admin. That brings you to your website. That's the domain name. So I want to make everything fine here. So I click dismiss and I close this gap, minimize it. So I have a clean slate. Now, this is how our website looks like, and this is very ugly. I don't like it, so I want to change it. So before you change it, go to websitesgurus.com. This is the site. I'll put the link below. When you come here, click on Astra. I'll also put this link below. Then you come here. So these are the Pro version. This one is Pro, mini agency bundle, and agency bundle. This one got a lot of things. You see, a lot. But today we are going to use the free version. If you have funds after you install this one, you can purchase it. So you click here, and then you put in your name, description, and click download. So after you put everything there, you click the download, and then it will be download. Because I have it, I don't want to do anything. So come back to the dashboard. On the left hand side, there is something called appearance. When you click appearance, you click themes. then add new, upload. So we're going to upload the thing that we uploaded from this website. So browse. This is where I put my distance. So I have a lot of things. So I will just, so I come here to install the Astra and click install. Installing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share also to your friends. It is still loading. So why it is still loading? This site, yes, it has installation has completed. Yes, file name. So you come here to click on activate. When you activate the review the site. So you come here under the appearance things, you see something called Astra option. Click on it. Okay, then you see import starter template. So come back here and see install import plugins. Click it. It's installing. So you click on Elementor. Since it is all, you see that there are some which is written agency. If you buy the pro version, you get a lot of this one, the pro version. But we want to use the free thing. You see here, there's nothing here. This one too, there's nothing there. But since I want us to use free version, I'll come here and choose the free. So only the free themes will come for us. Oh. So these are the free themes. A lot of them, a lot. So you can just choose any one, but I want to use construction. And the construction theme. So this is the construction theme. Then double click it. And then you can install the template or the complete website. So click on complete website. So if you have previous theme, you can click here to delete the previous, and then click import. So it is to import the whole website. And this is how you click. You build the website in no time, in less than 2 minutes. It's important. So we want us to view site. You can click here to view site. Come here. So now this is how the site looks like initially. So when we refresh, you see the new site. Wow. So this is it. See how nice it is. This is the hero, the banner. So this is it. It is loading a fine website. This is a whole complete website. where you can give it your just bits and tricks, change the names and everything here, change the logo, and then you're good to go. You see, from here, you can change all these things in no time. So this is the front end. This is how our website looks like. Isn't it amazing? And you can give this one to your clients to have some toolbox on your side. So, as it is now, so let's look at About Us. This is a complete website. So let's check the About Us. How lovely it is. So that's our services. This is the logo. You see our services. You can click it, suit your project. This is how it is. Our project. Then the contact us page. So this is our contact us page. See the little map, Google map. This one also you can put your social media links, and that's it. So let's go back to our dashboard. You come to Themes and click Customize. If you want to customize our website, we click here to change, but we're not changing it. Click here to buy a full version. So if you don't have this is a global, click a global and see typography. This is the base of the typography. You can change everything here. Back. That's the headings. This is what we call the headings. I want to come back, then the colors. See the base color. See the theme is this color. Let's go to the home. So you can change all this color by clicking here, and you choose your color. Once you finish that, you go back and go back. Then this is the container. And then the button. This one is the button. Back here. So you can change all. Then the header. Add identity. So you can click here to change the logo. If you want to change the logo, you click here. Maybe your computer or whatever, and then you change the logo. That is how to change the logo. So this is just a demonstration. Transparent paper, primary menu. So these are the menus. These ones are the primary menus. You can change all. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to our next channel. The next video, we're going to change everything from the back end to change it to our website, to our client. Maybe we change our client's logo, change the description, the phone numbers, and contact us to suit our clients. So this is just how to make a website in just 10 minutes. So one more time, get the hosting and the domain name. Now go to Bluehost or Dreamhost. I'll put the link below. You come to Website Gurus, click on Astra, and also download the free theme and upload just as I've shown. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share. Thank you for being around, and come to this website for subsequent